Hi, I'm Maddie,
I'm Jeremy.
and this is Uptown Swing, Level 2.
This is Tandem Charleston month. It's the third week of our module, our 4-week module, and we're going to show you all the stuff that we did this week.
Yes, we started with that all the way around turn from Tandem. Let's do it maybe on an ankle.
I love that.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Followers, we really worked on listening and not trying to guess which turn it was and really feeling it out through the entire way.
Good, listening, got it. And then we added a leader's turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that was basically the same thing. Keep that momentum going all the way through. Let's double kick on the right.
Yep, then we did a push out.
Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Then we did that push out to an exit where we go into crosshand.
That's right. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock, step, kick, kick, and double kick, double kick. You guys rocked it this week. Everyone was doing such a great job. We'll see you next week. Bye.